I am testing the new testing the sound on the new GoPro Hero 3 Black Plus with the skeleton door and a suction cup mount on my fancy window. So I'm on my way right now to a smokeless smoking. We're going to do some filming on something that I decided to call the Vapor Cove. So that should be kind of fun. So I really just wanted to test the sound. How it looks. I got the mount sucked up on the glass with the camera mounted upside down, so that's different. Yeah. I guess the other test is to see how the battery life is going to do. Also got a tripod mount last night to mount it for the show. I don't really know how this is gonna look, but you know, what the hell? Why not? Definitely gotta get oil in this bitch. D's. It's crazy overcast like a mofo. Boys in blue are out today. Stings. They like to sit right, like a street down from my house, on the corner. Just tag people. I guess if you're speeding on that street, you deserve it. But in general, I fucking hate speed traps. I think overall, in general, I just hate. Like folks are always constantly trying to figure out a way to get your money one way or another. There's got to be a bill, there's got to be a tax, there's always got to be someone trying to figure out a way to get your money for something. Gotta need this, gotta use that, gotta have this, gotta have that. Make sure that this is good. Oh, but you can't have that because you gotta get this accessory, pay for this, pay for that. Fucking tired money. But I love it. Because that helps you get shit sometimes. Actually, all the time. I'm pretty positive that dollars can get almost. Dollars will get you anything physical in the world. Man, winter's coming. Hopefully the sound comes out alright. No more rattling effect because it's on the glass now. And less of a rattle. Before I had it on the stock little block platform that the GoPro comes in the box. I love that thing. I don't know why, but the last like 3 GoPros I've just kept that little platform and used that as a stand to set the camera on and do shit with. So this is the first time I've actually like went out and bought some